What are the most exciting events happening around Sarasota this Memorial Day weekend? Today I get to share with you the events that our team can't wait to do over this 3-day holiday weekend. Hi, this is Kim Dowling, broker owner at Coastal Luxury Partners. We are your neighbors right here in Sarasota, Manatee, and Pinellas, and I have a few great choices for you this weekend. Memorial Day weekend kicks off on Friday with racing at the Bradenton Motorsports Park. Gates open on Friday at 4 p.m. and the park will be hosting the Steve Becker Memorial Weekend Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The 2021 annual SRQ Vets 5K Memorial Hike is Saturday, and it starts at the J.D. Hamill War Memorial Park. You're going to walk and start at the park and then head over the Ringling Bridge and then back to the park for an afternoon of fun that includes barbecue and music. There's a rock wall and bungee jumping, raffles, and so much more. Registration starts at 8 a.m. on Saturday and the hike starts at 9 a.m. The event is open to all ages and all funds raised will go to support and help our local veterans. On Monday from 11 to 12:30, there will also be a Memorial Day ceremony at the exact same park location right on Bayfront Drive in Sarasota. For our neighbors in the Lakewood Ranch, on Sunday morning you can enjoy free yoga in the park at Bob Gardner Community Park. It's just off White Eagle Boulevard. Yoga starts at 9 a.m. and then after yoga you could head over to the Sunday Farmers Market in the parking lot of the Lakewood Ranch Medical Center. It's the best flavors in the area, and the farmers market is open from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Now, who's ready for some music? Because it's going to be pretty easy to find live music this weekend at our local restaurants and beaches. There's a music festival this weekend at Raymond James Stadium in Tampa. It is Saturday and Sunday, and you can see the music lineup and get tickets online at smftampa.com. For those of you looking for free Memorial Day weekend concerts, St. Armand's Key Lutheran Church is hosting a free patriotic concert on Sunday from 4 to 5. Everyone is welcome to attend. And another great music festival is the Myakka River Blues Festival on Monday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Snook Haven in Venice. It's barbecue, it's beer, and rain or shine, bands are going to be playing along the river in an old Florida setting. And for our friends in Clearwater, there is a 2-day music festival along Clearwater's beautiful waterfront at Coachman Park, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday, there's a 5K run through the charming little city of Oldsmar and Upper Tampa Bay. And Largo Central Park is hosting a Memorial Day sunset ceremony at 7 p.m. on Monday. So thank you to all the men and women who died while serving in the military. We honor you this weekend. Be safe, everyone. Have fun and enjoy your Memorial Day. There's no better place for a long weekend than here on our beautiful Gulf Coast, enjoying the beaches and the sunshine. How lucky are we to live in paradise? I'll see you again soon.